Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey, Kylie. How's your morning going?
Oh, hey, Jordan. Pretty good. I was just thinking about daily use English sentences today, actually.
Daily use English sentences. What do you mean exactly?
You know, like the sentences we say every single day without even thinking about them. The phrases that just come out automatically.
Oh, interesting. Like, how are you kind of stuff?
Exactly. I was helping my neighbor this morning. She just moved here from Korea and she's learning English. She told me she knows a lot of words, but she doesn't know how to put them together in real conversations.
Ah, I see. So she knows vocabulary, but not the actual sentences people use.
Right. And it made me realize how many sentences we repeat every day, like the same patterns over and over.
That's true. I never really thought about it, but yeah, we do say the same things a lot.
So I started making a list for her, and it got me thinking, maybe it would help other people learning English too.
That's really thoughtful of you. So, what's on your list?
Well, let's talk about it. I mean, we've got time, right?
Absolutely. I actually think this could be really helpful. My cousin is learning English too in Mexico.
Oh, yeah? How's that going for him?
Pretty good, but he has the same problem. He knows words, but when he tries to text me or call me, he doesn't know how to say things naturally.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go through a typical day and think about what sentences we actually use.
Good idea. Let's start from the morning. What's the first thing you say when you wake up?
Honestly, I usually say, ugh, already? When my alarm goes off.
That's so real. I say just 5 more minutes.
Yes, classic. But those are things we say to ourselves. What about when you see someone in the morning?
Oh, right. Usually I say good morning to my roommate.
Perfect. Good morning. That's number one. Super basic, but super important.
And then what? Maybe, did you sleep well?
Yes, good one. Did you sleep well, or how did you sleep?
Sometimes I ask, what time did you go to bed?
Oh, that's common too, especially if someone looks tired.
Or you look tired. Is that rude?
Maybe a little, but we do say it. Probably better to say, are you okay? Or rough night?
Rough night. That's a good phrase. It means you didn't sleep well, right?
Exactly. Okay, so after good morning greetings, what usually happens?
Breakfast conversation?
Right. So you might ask, what do you want for breakfast? Or have you eaten yet?
Have you eaten yet? I say that all the time.
Me too. And the answer is usually not yet or I already ate.
Or I'm not hungry right now.
Yes. And if you're offering food, you might say, would you like some? Or want some coffee?
Ooh, coffee. I say I need coffee every single morning.
Don't we all? I need coffee is definitely a daily sentence.
And could you pass me the coffee or can you hand me that?
Perfect. Those are super useful. Could you pass me and then whatever you need?
Salt, pepper, the remote, my phone.
Yes, it works for everything. That's what I love about these sentences. They're like templates. You can plug in different words.
Oh, that's a good point. So learners should know the pattern, not just memorize one specific sentence.
Exactly. Yes, that's the key. Learn the pattern, then you can use it in many situations.
Smart. Okay, so after breakfast, most people get ready for work or school, right?
Right. So you might say, I need to get ready, or I should start getting dressed.
What should I wear today?
I say that every day, looking in my closet like I've never seen clothes before.
Same. And then, does this look okay? Or do these match?
Yes, asking for opinions. What do you think is another good one.
How do you look?
Perfect. And the response might be, you look great, or that looks good on you.
Or if you're being honest with a friend, maybe try something else.
Tactful. I like it. Better than that's terrible.
Yeah, don't say that. Okay, so now you're dressed. What's next?
Usually checking the weather, right? What's the weather like today?
Oh, good one. Or do I need a jacket?
Is it cold outside? Or is it going to rain?
Should I bring an umbrella?
These are so practical. I use these literally every day.
And the answers would be like, it's pretty cold, or it's supposed to rain later.
You should probably bring a jacket, or you'll be fine without one.
Okay, so now you're ready to leave the house. What do you say?
I'm heading out, or I'm leaving now.
See you later, or just see ya.
Have a good day. That's a big one.
Have a good day at work, or have fun.
And if you're the one staying home, you might say, be safe, or drive carefully.
My mom always says drive carefully when I leave.
Oh, that's sweet. Moms always worry. Okay, so now you're out in the world. What sentences do you use when you're commuting or traveling?
If you're taking public transportation, maybe excuse me when you're trying to get through?
Yes, excuse me is super important. You use it all the time.
Sorry, too. We say sorry a lot, even when it's not really our fault.
So true. Sorry, excuse me, sorry. Just trying to walk down the street.
And if you need directions, you might say, where is, and then the place.
Right. Where is the subway station? Or where's the nearest bathroom?
That's an important one. Where's the bathroom might be the most important sentence.
Absolutely. Emergency vocabulary. Exactly. We should also mention question patterns. Those are really important.
Oh, good point. Like, where is, when is, why did, how do you?
What time does? Who is? Which one?
These question words are super important for getting information.
Definitely. You use them every single day.
And polite request with could you, would you, can you?
Would you mind is extra polite.
Right. Would you mind closing the window? Very polite way to ask.
And suggestions with let's or why don't we?
How about we, or what if we?
These are great for making plans with friends.
Oh, we didn't talk much about opinions. I think I feel like, in my opinion.
Yes, good catch. I think it's too expensive, or I feel like we should leave early.
I believe for stronger opinions.
And asking for opinions. What do you think? What's your opinion? How do you feel about it?
Do you agree or don't you think?
These are important for conversations and discussions.
Definitely. What about expressing likes and dislikes?
Oh, yes. I like, I love, I enjoy.
I don't like, I hate, I can't stand.
I can't stand is strong. Like, I can't stand waiting in line.
True. It's more intense than just I don't like.
And preferences. I prefer. I'd rather.
I'd rather stay home tonight instead of going out.
Exactly. These help you express yourself clearly.
You know, thinking about all these sentences, I realize why beginners struggle.
Why?
Because textbooks usually teach you individual words and grammar rules, but not these actual everyday sentences.
Yes, that's exactly the problem.
You can know all the vocabulary in the world, but if you don't know how to put it together naturally.
You can't really communicate. You sound awkward or robotic.
Right. Real English is these patterns and sentences we've been talking about.
And they're not in grammar books. You learn them by listening to native speakers.
Or by having conversations like this one. Smiles.
Smiles. Exactly. This is real English. This is how people actually talk.
With all the you knows and likes and I means thrown in.
Yes, the filler words. Those are part of natural speech too.
Well, so?
We use them when we're thinking or transitioning between thoughts.
They make you sound more natural and less like a robot.
Exactly. So if someone's watching this video and learning English, what would you tell them?
Thinking about carefully, I would say, focus on these daily sentences. Listen to how native speakers actually talk.
Watch movies, TV shows, YouTube videos. Listen to real conversations.
And don't just memorize, try to understand the patterns.
Yes, see how the same pattern works in different situations.
And practice. Use these sentences every day, even if it's just talking to yourself.
Talking to yourself is actually great practice.
It is. No judgment, no pressure. Smiles.
And don't worry about being perfect. Communication is more important than perfection.
Absolutely. Native speakers make mistakes too.
We do, all the time.
All the time, laughs.
So true. The goal is to be understood, not to be perfect.
Exactly. And these daily sentences will help you be understood in real situations. Because this is what people really say. This is real English.
I love that. This is real English. That should be our motto.
Smiles. I like it. Real English for real life.
Perfect. You know, I'm going to share this conversation with my neighbor. I think it'll really help her.
That's a great idea. And I might share it with my cousin too.
The more people who learn these patterns, the easier their English learning journey will be.
Definitely. It's all about knowing what people actually say, not just what's in textbooks.
Exactly. Real sentences for real situations.
Looks at watch. Wow, we've been talking for a while.
Laughing, I know. But it was a good conversation. Really makes you think about language.
It really does. I'll never say good morning the same way again.
Right? You'll be like, there's that daily sentence.
Laughing, exactly. Analyzing every sentence.
Smiles. Well, I should probably get going. I have some errands to run.
Yeah, me too. But this was fun. We should do this more often.
Definitely. It's always good to catch up.
For sure. All right, take care, Kylie.
You too, Jordan. And hey, use those daily sentences.
I will, every single one. See you later.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
You could also ask, how do I get to, like, how do I get to Main Street?
Perfect. And is it far from here or is it close?
Can I walk there, or should I take a bus?
These are all super useful for tourists or new residents.
Definitely. Oh, and how long does it take?
Yes, good one. How long does it take to get there?
And someone might answer, about 10 minutes, or it's pretty far.
Right. And if you're lost, you might say, I think I'm lost, or I can't find.
Could you help me, please? That's important too.
Very important. Asking for help politely. Okay, let's say you arrive at work. What sentences do you use there?
Well, greeting coworkers, good morning, everyone, or just morning.
How was your night? Or how was your weekend, if it's Monday?
Oh, yeah, Monday morning is all about how was your weekend? What did you do?
And you might answer, it was good, pretty relaxing, or not much, just stayed home.
Or it was too short. Everyone says that.
The weekend is never long enough.
So true. Okay, during the workday, what are common sentences?
Do you have a minute? When you need to talk to someone?
Can I ask you something?
Could you help me with this?
I have a question about, and then whatever it is.
These are all polite ways to start a conversation at work.
And you might hear, I'm kind of busy right now, or sure, what do you need?
Right, and if someone helps you, you say, thank you so much, or I really appreciate it.
Thanks for your help. I say that one a lot.
Me too. Gratitude is important. Okay, what about phone conversations? There are specific sentences for that.
Oh, good point. When you answer the phone, you say hello or hello, this is Jordan.
If you're calling someone, you might say, hi, this is Kylie. Is this a good time?
Am I calling at a bad time?
That's considerate. And if you need to speak to someone specific, can I speak to, or is Mike available?
And if it's for you, but you're busy, you might say, can I call you back later?
Yes, or I'm in the middle of something right now.
Nods. Phone etiquette is important. Beginners should definitely know these.
Absolutely. Okay, what about lunchtime? More food sentences.
Food is always important. What do you want for lunch?
Where should we eat? Or do you want to grab lunch?
I'm starving, or I'm so hungry.
Very common. And if you're not hungry, I'm not hungry yet, or I just ate.
If you're suggesting a place, you might say, how about, or what about,
Have you been to? When asking about a restaurant.
and the response could be, yeah, it's good, or no, I've never been there.
Want to try it? Or let's go there.
When you're ordering, there are specific sentences too. I'll have, and then what you want.
Can I get? Works too. Like, can I get a sandwich?
Could I have is more polite. could I have a coffee, please?
And the server might ask, what would you like? Or, are you ready to order?
Would you like anything to drink?
Is that for here or to go?
Oh, that's important. For here means eating there. To go means taking it with you.
Exactly. And at the end, can I have the check, please? Or just, check, please?
In some places, they say, can I have the bill?
Right, same thing. Okay, so lunch is done, back to work. What about later in the day?
Afternoon conversation might be, how's your day going? Or busy day?
I'm so tired. Definitely an afternoon sentence.
I need another coffee.
Is it Friday yet?
We really do say that. Is it 5 o'clock yet?
The eternal questions. Smiles. And when it's finally time to leave, I'm done for the day, or I'm heading out.
Have a good evening, or see you tomorrow.
If it's Friday, have a great weekend.
And everyone responds, you too. That's automatic.
Totally automatic. It's like a reflex. Okay, evening time. What about at home?
When you get home, maybe someone asks, how was your day?
And you might say, it was good, or it was okay, or long day,
Exhausting if it was really tiring.
or really busy. And then maybe you talk about specific things. Guess what happened today?
Oh, that's a good conversation starter. Guess what?
And the person says, what? And then you tell your story.
These little patterns make conversation flow naturally.
They really do. Thinking, what about dinner time? More food sentences.
Food is always important. What do you want for dinner?
Where should we eat? Or what should we make?
I don't know. What do you want? Laughs. The classic response. Nobody wants to decide.
So true. And then eventually, how about pizza? Or let's just order something.
I'm too tired to cook.
Very relatable. Want to order takeout?
Should we get delivery?
And if you're cooking, you might say, dinner's almost ready, or come eat.
Wash your hands first, if there are kids.
Good one. Family sentences.
After dinner, what are evening sentences?
Maybe, what do you want to watch if you're watching TV?
Anything good on? Or what's on Netflix?
Modern problems. Too many choices.
I can't decide what to watch.
Let's just pick something after scrolling for 30 minutes.
So accurate. Why is choosing so hard?
I don't know, but those sentences are very real.
And throughout the evening, you might say, what time is it? A lot.
It's getting late, or I should probably go to bed soon.
I'm so tired. Again, laughs.
We say that multiple times a day.
Before bed, you might say, I'm going to bed, or I'm heading to bed.
Good night, obviously.
Sleep well, or sweet dreams.
See you in the morning.
And if you're talking to someone on the phone late, you might say, I should let you go, or I should go to sleep.
Talk to you tomorrow, or text me tomorrow.
You know, we've covered so many sentences, and we basically just went through one day.
I know, and these are all things we say without thinking about it.
It's amazing how much we communicate, and how many of these sentences are just patterns.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to show my neighbor. You don't need to memorize thousands of different sentences.
You just need to learn the common patterns and plug in different words.
Right, like can I, and then whatever you want. Can I have this? Can I try that? Can I see it?
Or, I need to, followed by any verb. I need to go. I need to eat. I need to call someone.
Enthusiastic. Yes, these patterns are so powerful.
And once you know them, you can create hundreds of sentences.